Reasons why you should never throw away watermelon rinds. Do you love watermelon? Well, we all love them, especially in the hot summer days. And that's a good thing, because watermelons are loaded with healthy nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, and they can provide many health benefits. They keep us hydrates, cleanse our organism from all harmful toxins, etc. But nobody likes the watermelon rinds. We usually throw them away. But did you know that watermelon rinds are actually edible? Do you know what's watermelon rind? Well, the watermelon rind is the firm white part of the fruit that's left behind after the bright pink flesh has been eaten or scooped away. We tend to throw this part of the fruit, but it has a lot of health benefits. Watermelon rind has a diuretic effect. It may be helpful in lowering blood pressure and maintaining proper kidney function. You should know that a recent study has discovered that watermelon rind is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. The red watermelon has lycopene in high quantities. Lycopene is an antioxidant and helps to prevent many diseases. It is found that 95% of the food value in watermelon is actually found in the rind. Many people around the world use the watermelon rings in many different dishes, meals, etc. because they have a mild flavor. Other people also use the watermelon rinds in healing purposes because they are loaded with healthy nutrients and can provide many health benefits. One watermelon rind helps boost your workout benefits. First, you should know that watermelons contain high amounts of citrulline, which is an amino acid. You need all the amino acids you can get after going to the gym to help your muscles repair themselves. So you should get some watermelon rind and add it in your tuna or chicken breasts, because it's an excellent idea for an addition to a post-workout meal. 2. Eating it increases your libido. Do you feel like you've somehow lost your sex drive? Well, if your answer is yes, then you should start consuming watermelon rind immediately. It has the ability to increase your libido, mostly because of its citrulline content. You should also know that the watermelon rind is added as an ingredient to many libido-boosting supplements on the market. Many different studies have also discovered that citrulline is good against mild erectile dysfunction. 3. It promotes a healthy weight loss. The watermelon rind is loaded with fiber as well. Well, this means that you should definitely add it in your diet. It may help you lose all the excess weight because it has the power to save you from overeating and taking more calories than your body needs. The watermelon rind, as well as the watermelon itself, is also a diuretic, so they can help you lose water weight. 4. Consuming it may help regulate your blood pressure. The watermelon rind is also very useful and beneficial for regulating the high blood pressure. How this works? Well, the watermelon rind works as diuretic, and it will help you remove the excess of water in the bloodstream. Studies have shown that watermelon rind extract has helped hypertensive adults attain lower blood pressure when it's taken together with measures recommended by their doctors. 5. The rind of watermelon is good for the urinary system. The watermelon rind is also very useful for preventing any urinary tract problems and infections. Watermelon rind may help you preserve healthy kidneys as well as the rest of the urinary system in a great shape because of its diuretic properties. The production of urine is enhanced, so it's easier to ensure that your urinary tract is clean and in a good working shape. Always remember to drink 8 to 12 glasses of water a day. 6. It may help ward off deadly cancer. The watermelon rinds are loaded with lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant. Many studies have discovered that lycopene has managed to reduce prostate cancer risk by up to 34%. This antioxidant may also help ward off different types of cancer, like for example those of the esophagus, stomach, pancreas, colon, and cervix. Well, this means that you should definitely add watermelon rinds into your healthy diet. So the next time you eat watermelon, make sure you don't waste these healthy watermelon parts. You can include them into your nutrition in many different ways. They can be eaten like that or added into salads for an extra tasty crunch. You may add them into soups, stews, and stir-fries. Many parts of the world turn the watermelon rind into relishes, preserves, jams, and candies, so it's up to you to decide how you want to include it, eat it, and consume its benefits. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.